rainy, but we saw a huge bass jump out here, so we're just gonna tough it under the canopy though and try to catch that Moby Dick bass. Moby Dick.
Come back, be with me. I just wanna behold you. Time to say goodbye. Do you love again? Missing you, I'm missing you. Come to me again. Come on, baby, let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you.
Thanks for watching Boxers Vlogmas. Stay tuned for day 6 and we'll talk to you then. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked. Have a good night.